Hello students, let's discuss this question. Let me give you first of all one concept over here, that in many CMA questions you see the data in the question will be too much lengthy or seems to be too much complicated, but the fact is that this question requires just a simple kind of common sense. This question is an ideal example for such kind of question which seems to be a little bit complicated, but they are complicated, you can say. They are having a lot of data in them, but in fact they are simple questions. Now in this question, this is the cost data given to us. You see raw material, machining, assembly, variable overhead, fixed overhead, and also we are being provided the total cost, right? Now let me tell you that this total cost is inclusive of fixed also, and this is inclusive of variable cost also, right? Okay, and we have been provided the suggested selling price, actual research and development cost, proposed advertising and promotional cost. Okay, what is the requirement? The difference between $99.98 suggested selling price, which is basically given over here, for H company's video disc cleaning unit, and its total unit cost. So what is the total unit cost? Okay, this is the total unit cost, represents the units. What, I mean, is it contribution margin ratio, it's gross profit, it's contribution, or that happens to be gross profit margin ratio, right? We already know that when we talk about selling price and we are going to deduct total cost, it will always be equals to gross profit. It will be equals to gross profit, because when we talk about, you see, contribution margin ratio, contribution margin will be equals to selling price less variable cost. This is called basically contribution margin, right? So, and this ratio, this is also, and this is entirely different. It's nothing to do with any kind of ratio, right? So when we talk about sales price less total cost, which is inclusive of variable cost also, and total and fixed cost also, so it's going to give us gross profit, right? So I hope you understand this question. Thank you.